30th, 2019. It is 8:39 and I am working. I took the kids to school. I edited a video when I got back. That is uploaded. I'm still making my bed. I have pillows still I gotta put up. But today's April 30th, and so today is the last day of the month. I have 250 items I could list on eBay for free every day. Or every day. Hold on. My brain is all scattered here today. I have 250 items that I could list for free via my store. You don't carry over what you don't use. You pretty much lose that, and I hate that because I am paying for my store, so I would like to use everything up. So right now I have 65 items left for today, and then I would have used up the 250 that I have for free, or you know, via my store. So I definitely am not going to be able to list 65 new items today, but I have a lot of relists that I can do today, and that will at least get me closer to the 65. So another day of eBay working. My mom is still here with me. You know, my mom lives here, but she doesn't really stay here much. She'll be leaving Thursday to take care of her mom, my grandma. It'll be her week. They alternate weeks, so there's 3 sisters and they all get a week. So my mom's week is coming up. So she'll be leaving around Thursday evening. So I basically have Tuesday and Wednesday for her to help me with picking up kids, or you know, making dinner, whatever. I don't have to necessarily stop what I'm doing here. So I'm going to sort out, okay, what exactly I want to take pictures of and what exactly I would love to list. So let me just go take a quick shower. No makeup today, just a quick shower and get a little bit awake, and then share with you what I'm going to be putting up. Showered up. So I want to show you what I'm going to photograph. And I didn't pick out too much. These are already photographed. Sorry. I photographed these already. Okay. So what needs to be photographed is, no, I did that one. Okay. Are the swimsuits. So we have 3 swimsuits here. So this one here needs to be photographed, and these two right here. So that's 3 items, and this one needs to be photographed as well, and this one, the camo one. Oh, goodness. This one's already photographed, just needs to be put up. Let's see, everything else I did the other day. And then this one here, this dress needs to be photographed. That's what I have here on my garment rack. And then all these bathing suits right here as well need to be photographed. But they require a different type of mannequin. They require, I'll show you right now. And then remember these pants, guys? I had these in the other haul. These are the Old Navy size 16s. I had these in the other haul, or in the other vlog, not haul, vlog. I had them on. These are already washed, cleaned up, and they're going to be sold. And hopefully, you know, remember that dress, that blue dress that I made a haul? Hopefully, since that was already accounted for me, you know, that wasn't part of the eBay money, then I'll put that back in, and hopefully that will buffer that. As far as shoes, these are the shoes that I'm going to photograph. Some of them need cleaning. This one's already cleaned. These are cleaned. This one needs cleaning. This one is cleaned. This one needs cleaning. But these are the ones I want to photograph today. Like I said, I can always add to this, but for right now, I don't want to aim too high, just because I am going to be sitting a lot. And I do also would love to edit some videos today. I'm so behind. So the mannequin that I use is this one here. She had a hole and I patched it, but I haven't even sanded it, so I always turn that backwards. But anyways, this I'm going to photograph right now. But this is the mannequin that I use for shoes, and I'm sorry. This is the mannequin I use for swimsuits and anything that I have to pull from the leg up. I use this one here. Lights on. I like photographing a little bit later in the day because the sun actually starts to really come around, and this is where the natural light also comes in, and then it just helps everything. But right now the sun is down that way. We also got to get to this closet. This is tomorrow's project. I made up my mind. I have it in my planner. You know, if it's in the planner, it's got to be done. It's my last day. Mom's here, and we're just going to focus in on that. She's just what I'm planning to do with Mom is not do the bottom stuff. All this stuff down here is getting worse by the day. I think because I keep saying, oh, it's going to be tomorrow, so I just get terrible mentality. But this is my personal this is my personal stuff down here. I will do the bottom stuff, and all I want Mom to do is put those clothes, those jeans, take women's, take children's, take men's. I don't have a lot of men's, and then just put them in little baggies, and they're going to go into a tote. So that's the only thing. But anyway, that's going to be for another day. 12:30, and I've added more stuff to photograph. I think you guys remember showing you this one here from Chaps. This is going to get photographed today. I did all these extra ones here. I already photographed those. I did all the shoes already. I did that. I did add a couple more, so I'm pretty much down to the wire, except I remembered while I was photographing, oh, I have to photograph that maxi dress. But I remembered, let's go to the dungeon here. This is bad. This closet is bad. Okay, I remember when I was in here the other day, I had some dresses in here. I think, oh, I have a lot of dresses in here. Let me pull them all out. They didn't fit me, and I'm hoping I would be able to wear them. But, oh, that's not mine. Oh my goodness. Here, let me, some of them were meant to be for eBay, I could tell. Some of them were mine. I think some of them were my mom's. This is my mom's. So I'm going to see, as soon as she comes up, see what she wants to do with that one. I love that periwinkle color. This one was mine, and I still may keep this one. That's a really pretty one. This is mine. This one, I think it's my mom's. Not sure. Gotta ask her. This one was mine. I bought this one here so that I could wear it. Well, I know I bought it so I could wear it. I meant at some point it didn't fit me. And I'm pretty much tired of holding on to it. It's a pretty one. I think I got that one at Marshall's. And here's a maternity one. I would actually wear this, and I wasn't even pregnant. Maternity one. I bought it. Okay. Other than the two dresses, I'm going to see if my mom wants it, what she wants to do. But after these dresses, which will take me a bit, they will take me a little bit. I may or may not do them all. I don't know, because it's already 12:30, guys. I'm going to have to pick up my little guy at 12:50 from school, and I still haven't put up anything on eBay. So, I'm just going to run with it for now, continue the pictures, and cut off. If my mom can pick up my little guy, I'll probably cut off around 1:30. So, I probably have a good hour to work on these pictures. So, I will let you know what I get done. It's 1:25. I have this dress. If I can turn her around. See my buddy? No, I'm just kidding. I'm tired. Look at that dress. This I bought me years ago. If I were to tell you 6 years, it's not an exaggeration. I still have the tags. I still have the tags back here. Oh, the tag. Oh, to the dress. It's time to go, people. Time to go. But I'm almost too many years. See? And I'm not going to wear it. I'm not going to fit into it. It's time to go. You know, these are the types of things that I really want to get into my closet and just be done. 2:15. I wanted to show you guys when Mom's up here. It's like a major production going on. So I'm putting eBay relisting as I am taking some pictures over here. And look what Mom's doing over here. She's ironing and pressing some clothes. Sewing, cleaning. We got cleaning products over here that we use. Mannequins. Things that are drying a little bit. Those I decided to keep these two. This one, I like it for whatever lounging and also for the beach. And then this one is my favorite. I purchased this at Kohl's a couple years ago, and I just love the paisley pattern, and I know I'll get into that. So I just wanted to show you what's going on. I feel like this whole week with eBay has allowed me to really get caught up since Mom's been here. She's caught me up. She has caught me up to a point where I feel comfortable. And now after really today, I'll be sitting down and loading up on eBay as much as I can. And it's just going to be good. Really, really good. I wanted to show you something. My little guy, he's graduating. He's going into middle school, so he graduates elementary. And he got his photos. Look at that. Can't believe he's going to go into middle school. And that is my baby. That is my last one. He's my baby, and he's going to be in middle school. No more elementary kids. Okay. Just went downstairs to try to use the pressure cooker. We are going to have bean burritos. Well, the kids are going to have bean burritos. Beef, bean, cheese burritos. Homemade. And we're going to have just the cheese and the beef. And then I think they're called Old Factory tortillas. They sell at Stater Brothers. And they're like 6 grams of carbs per tortilla. So that's going to be good. Right now, I'm munching on some pork rinds with tapatio and some lemon. I'm having a Zivia, but this is caffeine free. This does not have caffeine. I have 1, 2, 3. I think I have about 4 more items to photograph, and I'm calling it quits. I still have a little bit of a headache. I still do, but the winds are massive here still. But I think I can keep going. I'm just might as well. I haven't been doing too good with the listings, but that's okay. Do my best. But I just wanted to check in. I just wanted to share with you what I'm going to have for my snack right now. I feel good though, even though I have this slight headache. I feel good. I didn't feel too good this morning, but right now I feel pretty good. And I really feel like today was another strong day with my eBay. And like I said, I'm feeling so caught up. Oh, get this. So let me show you the bathing suit. This has never happened to me before, ever. Ever, 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 ever. I mean, everything I list, it has a make me an offer, you know. Everything I list, it's the item or best offer, right? So this particular item right there, look at how many offers I have. 2, right? And they came in at the same time. You see that? 2 offers? They came in at the same time. That's never happened to me before. I mean, I've had multiple offers on things, but 2 offers on the same item at one time. I mean, like within seconds of each other, they came in. So I counter offered both of them because they were both a little too low. Actually, that is the item I had mentioned in a couple of vlogs ago, where I said that It was my fault that I had the wrong size on the title. That's the item, and I knew it would sell right away. And yeah, people are already interested in it. All right, guys, let me go ahead and finish up and see where I end up. Hey guys, okay. It is 6:17. I'm calling my son Aaron.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 90.
Okay, he called me right now and I just called him back. We're gonna go have dinner. Let me see. Hello? Yeah? Dark. Let me go to the light. Let me go to the light. It is time to shut down. I think it was a 14-hour shift, I think, you know, give or take today. Let me see what time it is. 8:51. And I cleaned up the room. The only thing I have to do is put away the lights over there, and I put those away tomorrow. They go in my son's closet, and my son's playing with his friend on the computer, via computer. So I don't want to go in the room. I am sitting so good when it comes to my eBay in terms of just being ahead finally. I feel like I'm finally ahead. I worked really hard, pulling in long hours, and I feel really, really good. Mom is, I just went and said goodnight to my mom. She's exhausted. She's tired. She made dinner. She cleaned kitchen. God bless her. God bless her. And now she's relaxing. Tomorrow, she's not going to do anything with eBay. She's just going to help me with the closet, but easy things, like where she could sit down and just fold the jeans, and that's it. She doesn't need to be doing anything else. She's really helped me tremendously. Tomorrow I will be taking you guys with me to let's organize this closet finally. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know my vlogs have been about my eBay because that's where I'm at right now. I haven't exercised, which that needs to resume now that I'm pretty caught up. So we need to resume that and get that going, because yeah. And I will see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, talk to you later. Bye. We are going to finally tackle this closet. I am flying solo on this. Guess what? How much he weighs now? I have a picture of me with this one on. So doing these clothes is bringing out a lot of emotions. Some of these don't fit. Some of these don't fit me. It's 8:17. Let's go look in the closet. I need to do this. It was very therapeutic. And to do it with you guys.